with systems in motion, often accelerating without specifying the details of the force. Equations of uniformly accelerated motion are derived and used. Also, we learn to measure the acceleration of free fall, small g, experimentally. In motion in two dimensions, we study projectile motion in terms of velocity and uniform acceleration. Since there are different kinds of motion, as an example, simple harmonic motion, where the restoring force is directly proportional to the displacement. Also, we study scalars and vectors and understand the difference between each term and use method of vector addition to add or subtract vectors that are in the same plane and use perpendicular components to represent a vector. In kinematics, we also study mathematical description of motion of objects or trajectories that includes concepts of position, velocity, acceleration, and their correlation or interdependence. We draw and interpret displacement time and velocity time graphs. From their gradients, we calculate speed, velocity, and acceleration. Also, laboratory methods are used to calculate speed. Thank you for watching.